Good morning from Las Vegas here in Nevada, USA. I'm back here for my first time in 7 years. Charlotte's never been.
First time, I can't wait to explore.
Well, we are staying at the Paris Las Vegas Hotel. Check out the travel vlog if you haven't already seen it, making that journey from London Heathrow all the way through here to Las Vegas. But yes, in this vlog, we're going to take you for a tour around our hotel.
Woo!
We thought with us being in Vegas, we're not going to put the hotel in the travel vlog. We'll take you around separately, really go into detail, because yeah, it's absolutely huge. Along with that, in this vlog as well, we'll be going up the Eiffel Tower that they've got just over there at the Paris Las Vegas Hotel and checking that out too. But yes, come and join us for a tour around Paris Las Vegas. Well, it's a gorgeous morning for taking you for a tour around. You got the Bellagio there, Caesar's Palace, and yeah, the Bellagio fountains are just here on the lake, you can see. Right opposite where we're actually staying, and yeah, our room just have a view looking out towards part of the strip. We're actually staying on the right hand side of the building, just up from the Arc de Triomphe just there. As you can see, you've got the hot air balloon. This place is absolutely crazy, it really is. But yeah, there you've got the Eiffel Tower. It's actually a half-scale replica of the one in Paris. It stands at 165 meters, that's 541 feet. There's actually the Eiffel Tower restaurant on there, and yeah, you can also go right up to the top for the viewing area. But I think we'll cross over, we'll take you a little look around at our hotel.
Yeah, let's go and have a look.
You look lovely, Charlotte. Dressed for the occasion. It's nice for January, isn't it? Just be walking around.
Nice sun. Got my sunglasses on.
In terms of a temperature, it's not baking hot, is it?
But the sun's got nice heat to it.
Yeah, it has. It's just a nice temperature for walking around, which is really good. It means we're not going to be spending a fortune on buying loads of drinks and stuff walking around.
Sometimes when it's hot, you're spending so much money on drinks.
You are indeed. But yeah, this is a really nice location. When I was last here in 2015, I stayed at Excalibur, which is a little bit further down the strip. I remember saying that I wanted to stay a little bit further down towards the heart of Vegas. That's where we are this time, because yeah, Caesar's Palace, probably the most famous of the Las Vegas hotels over there. But yeah, so many of these hotels have got, it's so much more than just a hotel. So they've all got the casinos, they've all got bars, restaurants, shops, rides, as we're going to be finding out later on. We're actually making our way to the Adventure Dome, so that'll be tomorrow's vlog down at the Circus. But yeah, it really is lovely down here, and yeah, we'll get a great view of the Bellagio fountains. We're going to be filming quite a lot of content for Adventure Sean as well. Yeah, it's beautiful. So we'll cross over, we're going to show you around the hotel. So we just crossed over the road now, and here's a close-up look at the Arc de Triomphe that you've got here. You can actually see this fully from our room that is right up there. We're going to take you up to the room shortly. Yeah, we're staying somewhere kind of in that vicinity, maybe a little bit more to the left. But yeah, we're on floor number 14, and we're nowhere near the top. Like, look how high it is.
It's so big.
It's crazy, like, when you come here and see it all for the first time.
Wow.
Things are massive. Like, Las Vegas and Dubai are the two places where you're like, oh my God.
Large scale. I didn't think it would be like this. I feel like a miniature.
Yeah, the architecture is amazing as well. But yeah, this is the main entrance. Obviously, you've got loads of different entrances that lead through into the hotels and casinos, because they want to get you in there. They want to have you spending money. But yeah, obviously, we're going to take you in through the main way into the hotel just here and show you it. But yeah, really nice. Love the architecture here as well. Here we go, welcome inside Paris, Las Vegas. But yeah, the theme is absolutely awesome. Obviously, we're going to be covering a lot of the other hotels over on Adventure Sean, but I just wanted to kind of show you a full room tour here and show you what it's like. Here's the reception where we checked in last night. All the chandeliers over there. Now you might be looking and thinking, hang on a minute, how much does it cost to stay somewhere like this? Worth pointing out, the hotels in Vegas aren't actually really expensive.
No, but you get caught up with like resort fees.
Yes.
That's what's most expensive.
It is, yeah, so you pay like extra, which covers
like
kind of your Wi-Fi and
fitness centre and stuff like that, but then you also have to pay for parking on top of that as well.
So bear that in mind. Yeah, like what you might see as the initial room price doesn't necessarily mean that's the final price. Yeah, obviously you've got all the tables just down there. It's early on a morning now, so obviously it's not very busy. Last night when we came in here, it was pumping.
Really busy, yeah.
We thought it'd be a good time to kind of show you around. But yeah, there's so much more than just hotels. So many different bars, restaurants. Gordon Ramsay's got a restaurant actually, just over at the other side. But yeah, the architecture is amazing. It kind of reminds me in here, a little bit like the Trafford Centre with the roof, how it's painted. Oh, but yeah, you got like so many different shopping malls, and you don't have to spend much in Vegas to have a good time.
No, it makes me thinking the cakes, it's soap.
Oh, is it? Oh, there you go. Oh, but yeah, this bar was really busy last night. Yeah, Gordon Ramsay's got his restaurant over there.
Not actually cooking though.
This looks a little bit like Ratatouille's facade, I think. Yeah, it looks just like, looks like Ratatouille, doesn't it? And yeah, obviously we're going to be going up the Eiffel Tower later on as well. Yeah, you can just see part of the base there for the Eiffel Tower just over in that direction. Yeah, we'll take you for another little look round here, of course, later on. But I think we'll head up towards our room shortly. We'll show you down the shops we've got down here, because this is our first time exploring all around here. You know, last time I was here back in 2015, the channel was very different. I filmed like a 50-minute vlog and put everything in, so I really wanted to go into detail this time, because it's a masterpiece coming here and seeing the theming. Just like walking down here and all the little details, like the little candles flickering up there in the windows. But yeah, this is what takes you up to our room. And what's really handy is you've got a little shop just here on the right as well. Love the music, and the architecture is stunning, it really is. Look at this. All the chandeliers. Oh, don't close the doors on me, Charlotte. There we go. Oh, we get music in the lift as well. There we go, nice little dancing, Charlotte. Starting off 2022. And of course, this is also our 10th anniversary trip for Theme Park Worldwide. We've got the big anniversary coming up in a few days' time. We're going to be celebrating, so yeah, up to the 14th floor. This section goes up to 15. Like I said, the hotel goes up to 26 floors, I think it was, and you go up in the lift just next door. But we're at the top of like this level. My ears have popped. And there we go. Let's show you around to where our room is. But yeah, here's a look at the corridors.
It's really well finished off.
It is, like, just the size of these hotels, amazing. You know, I'd love to stay in so many different ones here. But yeah, look at this. Right, we'll take you down to our room now and give you a room tour. Well, yeah, here's a look at the corridors. Even the corridors are like really wide and lots of space around. It's very nice. But yeah, we're staying just down here on the right. And here we go. Anybody in? There she is! Welcome to the Paris Las Vegas. Yeah, bathroom's off to the left, but we will take you for a little look in there afterwards. Go on then, Charlotte, take us for a tour around the room.
Right, so we've got two big queen-size beds, and I do have to say, these were really comfortable last night.
As you can probably tell, we had a bed each last night, didn't we? We won't be every night. Just last night we had a long journey.
We were so tired, so we had a bed each.
Just so we can stretch out. There you go.
Nice comfy bed as well. It was nice.
It was, yeah, really good beds. Yeah, big
nice
headboards.
Alarm clock there. Telephone, loads of storage as well in this room, which is really good.
What's really cool in terms of plugs wise over here?
USBs on here.
Yeah, there's a USB in the side, and then you've got a plug socket in the lamp. They like doing that in the States, don't they?
Yeah.
And this is a nice picture over there. Look at that. There you go, Trebillon, just on the side there. Bonne chance. Very nice. Getting my French in there for you. You like that?
We've got this section here, which is like your storage. You got your telly. You do also get like an ironing board. You get a safe. Put your trays on.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? It's not for cases, is it?
No, it's not for cases.
Or is it for trays? I think it is. Well, was it for cases?
It was for cases.
It was for cases.
It was.
Oh, there we go.
Then we've got a safe and a fridge. Nice desk area over here as well.
It's nice how they give you a fridge in these rooms, isn't it?
Yeah, so you can keep stuff cool. Now a tip for the ladies out there. So if you're coming to Vegas and you bring a nice high watt hairdryer, if you put it in the plugs, it's not going to blow that fast.
Yeah. We think it might be just to do with the power.
Yeah,
like,
I think it's to do with the power. It was like blowing cold air as well, but oh well.
I think so. Yeah, you got this nice desk area over here, the editing suite. There's me in the mirror just over there. Yeah, it's very nice. Air conditioning system off to the right there as well, because the windows don't open. But here we go. Here's a look out at our views. Yeah, when I said just, we're kind of staying up there and pointed. Obviously, we started on the other side of the road. You can just actually see where we started the vlog, which is where then people are walking there. That's the edge of the Bellagio Lake. You've got the Cosmopolitan there over there as well, with a great view. And yeah, really close to the Strip. I mean, literally walking through the casino. We're at our strip to the room in like 5 minutes, you know, which is really good.
Really nice. It's nice to be so close.
Because some of these hotels can be absolutely massive.
Yeah.
Well, they are, but we've done well, I think, with our location.
Yeah, definitely. We've got a good location.
Yeah, definitely. You know, I'd love to stay in some of these other hotels here, but for how much time you spend in the room as well, you know, I mean, this is perfect for us. I think it's a really nice room. It's comfortable, it's clean, great view as well. We're not just looking out kind of the other direction. No. We can see the Strip, which is nice. Very nice Parisian carpet there as well. And yeah, a bit of an overview, but the rooms are huge in here. And like I say, you're not paying an extortionate amount to stay in these rooms, but beware of the extra fees.
Sometimes though, if you're booking online, it does say includes fee. So you pay like half online, then you pay the resort fee when you get here.
Yes, but we'll go in the bathroom now. I love the bathroom.
I don't like the bath.
There we go.
So here's the bath. Look how small. I'm going to get in it actually.
Yeah, get in it. Go on. It was that's it. Wonder what else she was taking off then. I was getting worried.
Oh, there's water in
There we
it.
go. There's going to be. It's a bath.
Oh,
There we
look
go.
at that. That's not a bath.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Stretch your legs out a bit.
I can't, there's all water.
Oh, there we go. But yeah, it gives you a bit of an idea on the bath. It's just very low down, isn't it? I'd look funny in there.
Yeah. Nice shower.
Oh, the shower is amazing, and it's nice how, of course, it's separate as well. And I do like having a bath, so it's nice.
Yeah, I know. Really nice.
Nice picture of the Eiffel Tower behind you just there with a little model.
Oh.
And there's the lavatory just over there to the right. And then this area.
Got loads of towels.
Brilliant.
And stuff.
Yeah, loads of towels, loads of storage down
hair
here.
dryer and stuff.
The room's packed full of plugs as well, which is really nice.
You get a lot of toiletries as well.
Yeah, and obviously they'll come in and replenish things if you want to. But yeah, you got the nice sink. It looks like this was built for like his and hers sinks, but it's only just got the one sink, but that's fine for us. I mean, there's only two of us here, isn't there? But there you go, and then the nice view in the mirror there as well. Doesn't Charlotte look lovely, everybody? Oh, she looks wonderful, beautiful. But yeah, there's a nice tour around our room. But no, just give you a bit of an idea.
Really nice.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I like the style of it, and how much time you spend in the rooms as well. You know, I don't think you need anything too extravagant myself. I know a lot of people think, oh, we're going to Vegas, I want the top notch of everything. But you know what we like? We like to keep things realistic, and I think this is perfectly fine for what we've got. We've got the car parked up on like a multi-story nearby, and all sorted. But yeah, we'll go back downstairs, have a little walk through. And then later on, we're going to be going up the Eiffel Tower here as well. Here we go then, just come down the elevator. And yeah, look at some of the merch they've got just here. There we go.
Really nice.
Oh, I love that. The balloon from outside.
It's lovely.
Yeah, so obviously you've got the little shopping centre that runs down this way. Get some nice wines in there as well. Lots of different shops though selling things like drinks and stuff. But you've got to bear in mind, if you just head out onto the strip, you've got places like CVS that are really good for just getting a cheaper drink as well. Looks like some of these shops down here are having some work done to them. So we'll carry on a bit further down. They really know how to get the ambience right. But yeah, it's lovely in here. One thing you'll notice about Las Vegas hotels, other than in the room, they don't put like big clocks up and that sort of thing. They don't want you to know the time. They want you in there spending money. That's what it's all about. Yeah, I love how the ceiling's painted as the sky, and the theming's great. It really is. But yeah, we're going to be going in a lot of the other hotels and covering them over on Adventure Shore. Just wanted to give you a tour around here, really, with it being the one that we're staying in here on Theme Park Worldwide. And if you want to see more from the hotels, obviously you can head over to the second channel to see that, because those videos will be coming up over the next few weeks. Little pizzeria over there as well.
Smells lovely.
Just all the decor and theming is stunning, really is. Yeah, loads of different shops, and it's like a full shopping centre really that runs down this way. Yeah, that's where we parked. The self parking's up that way. You got valet out the front as well if you like a bit of valet parking. But yeah, it's lovely. You got all different shops down here as well. It is massive. These hotels are huge. Amazing buildings, aren't they? Stunning walking through. You can spend a whole day just in your hotel walking around and seeing it all. Yeah, look at this. So many shops and restaurants. Really is amazing. Oh, I've lost Charlotte. She's in the Viva Las Vegas gift shop over there. Viva Las Vegas. Yeah, over on Adventure Shore as well. We're going to go down and see the Las Vegas sign, of course, and cover that. But yeah, coming up next here on this channel tomorrow, we're going to be at the Adventure Dome indoor theme park at the Circus. A couple of coasters there, quite a few other rides. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And of course, we're going to be making our way to the Strat to go and do the rise up on the Stratosphere Tower, and so much more. All coming up here on Theme Park Worldwide. Wow, well, it's been a few hours since we last spoke to you all. And yes, the sun has gone down here in Viva Las Vegas. And yeah, we're opposite our hotel now. That's the world famous Bellagio fountains there. And yes, we're going to be filming a few of the different fountain shows at the Bellagio over on Adventure Shore, so stay tuned for those. Now, we said back at the start of this vlog that we was going to be going up the Eiffel Tower just there, that I've got to say looks absolutely spectacular with the lighting package. However, we've got some sad news, haven't we, Charlotte?
It's closed.
It's closed, so we won't be going up there. I don't know why it's closed.
I don't know.
But yeah, it's going to be shut, which is a real shame, you know. But luckily, we are going to be going up the high roller, aren't we, which is the big wheel. And that's even taller than that anyway.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter.
But I just thought before we wrap up this vlog, yeah, we'll just show you the hotel at night and a little look inside the casino. But yeah, it looks absolutely awesome. And yeah, right opposite, it's amazing, isn't it? Look at that, wow. The Bellagio fountain, absolutely spectacular. Got some Vegas showgirls over there. We're going to be seeing plenty of that whilst we're over here. Oh, it's a different world, isn't it? But yeah, look at the Eiffel Tower. Shame we won't be going up there, but I've got a sneaky suspicion that they're having a few staffing issues.
Yeah, I think so as
Yeah,
well.
it seems that's the case. So it'll be interesting to see how that plays out over the next few days. Obviously, we are still in this pandemic, you know, things are really tough still. But yeah, I think much like back in the UK, they're having a few staffing issues. But it's a shame because would have gone up there. It's quite expensive though. It's $27 to actually go up to the top. It's about twice the price as the actual Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, so it's quite expensive.
It's on the pricey side. We would have done it though if it was open, but yeah, I just thought I'd show you it at night. But yeah, we'll cross back over, have another little walk through the casino and wrap up this vlog here from Las Vegas, showing you our hotel and of course a room tour at the Paris Las Vegas Hotel. It was beautifully lit up at night. Crossed over the road there now, and yeah, here's a look at the awesome balloon that's lit up over there. And a look at the closed, the defunct Eiffel Tower just there. But yeah, there's also a restaurant on that level just there. And as I mentioned earlier on in the vlog, it's a half-scale replica of the real Eiffel Tower, and they've done a good job of it. It's a shame that we're only going up there, but it's something for in the future. Yeah, I'll head back through this way, through this part of the casino, show you a bit more of the theming, and then yeah, head up to the room, wrap up the vlog. I do love the ceiling in here, all the sky that's painted. And yeah, that's where you head up to the restaurants in the Eiffel Tower. And yeah, you can see the base in the corner just there as well. Of course, one of the four legs that form part of it. Yeah, you've got the wonderful bridge as well that runs right over the middle there. Very nice. So many slots. Amazing. Yeah, look at all the architecture. Do love the fountain here in the middle. It's a very nice hotel, beautifully themed. Gordon Ramsay steak just over there, and yeah, we'll make our way up to the room and wrap up this first vlog here from Las Vegas. The adventure begins. So much coming up over the next few days here on Theme Park Worldwide. Back in the lift then now, up to the 14th floor. A little boogie in the lift. Yeah.
We keep getting static shock.
We do, don't we? Like when we twist the
I'm
button.
having to keep going like this from my sleeves.
Charlotte's been to CVS there,
Yeah.
which is the pharmacy that also sells cakes and
Got
chocolates.
some donuts.
There you go. Lovely. Yeah, really nice hotel, Paris, Las Vegas. I like how you got all this nice seating area as well. It's lovely. Back in our beautiful room then now here, after a nice tour around the hotel here in Viva Las Vegas. Oh, it's been great, hasn't it?
Really good. Yeah.
Really nice to start the trip here. We've got so much coming up here on Theme Park Worldwide. The next vlog that's coming up tomorrow will be from the Adventure Dome indoor theme park at the Circus Circus. We're then going to be making our way to the Strat.
Oh, I'm really nervous.
Oh, and doing the rides on there and so much more. Lots coming up here on TPW from this trip here to Vegas. And of course, this is all just part one before we make our way to California.
I'm so excited.
Oh, we've got loads coming up, haven't we? It's going to be amazing.
We have. I'm
but
just going to have a bit of some snack.
oh, hang on. What's this here? What you got?
See, it's a burger. But it's not. It's a fridge magnet.
Hey!
It's so good.
Oh, she bought it for like $6. Someone
so
would give shop.
squashy. Look, it looks real.
They also have bananas and stuff in there
There's
as
like
well.
donuts and everything, but I was like, I've got to get this.
Of course, but overall then, what are your first impressions to Vegas? What are you thinking?
It's really nice. It's on such a grand scale. I can't wait to explore it more.
And the hotel's great. We're in a really good position here on the Strip as well.
Great
kind
location.
of right in the middle, aren't we here?
Yeah.
Opposite the Bellagio fountains, which is great. And as you can see from the view behind us, it's nice looking out to the Strip, but it's so peaceful in here as well.
It really is, yeah.
You can't hear anything, which is really nice. I think you want that kind of, you know, when you're out on the busy Strip in Vegas doing the attractions, just to come back, have it peaceful on a night.
Yes.
Perfect, isn't it? But we'll see you tomorrow at the Adventure Dome. Charlotte's going to tuck into a burger. And there we go. That leaves us with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. We'll see you at the Circus Circus.